Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to practice smokes in CSGO. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, you just want to start a custom lobby with yourself, no bots. From there, you want to open up the console and type in sv_cheats and set this to 1. You're able to type in sv_infinite ammo, set this to 1 also. Then you want to type in is mp_runtime_defuse, and we're going to set this to 100. And then we'll kill referrals here. The next round should give us a whole 60 minutes to play around with smokes. Now because we set infinite ammo, we can basically, there's chalk smokes and they don't disappear. So once you've got it set up and you're in a lobby by yourself on the map, what you can do is either find a few smokes that are already well known and you can practice them like this. Or if you wanted to find some smokes yourself, what you want to do is basically spend a lot of time sitting in every corner lining things up. You can just line things up like this and basically just test off. Follow the smokes to see where it lands, and if you find one that's good, you can basically just take note of it and keep that in mind the next time you're playing the game. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.